guys, so I have something really exciting today. I got a package from Zahra Beauty. I'm pretty sure that's, yep, Zahra Beauty. I ordered this on the 22nd of November, I think, when they had a coupon code for Black Friday or Cyber Monday. So I've been wanting to buy this for probably over a year now when I first found it on Pinterest. And I finally found who made this magical thing that I'm talking about. And then it is expensive, I will tell you that. It is expensive, but I did save up, and with the coupon code I couldn't really say no. Shipping to Australia is a little bit ridiculous, to be honest, but you can't get anything like this here, so I did it anyway. And coupon code, you can't say no. So this is the box. It's quite big. I won't show the front of it because it obviously has my address on it. I haven't opened it. It only arrived this morning. I was like, uh-oh. And I really wanted to open it, but I didn't because I'm doing it now. So the item I got from Zahra Beauty is the spinning lipstick tower. So I'm pretty sure that it holds up to 84 something. A lot of lipsticks. I don't have that many lipsticks, but I'm sure I will eventually. Let me open this baby. Sorry about the voice. So if I open up the very top of it, I've got this. I'm sure this is just my invoice. So now we've got lots of green bubble wrap. So it's packaged really well. Oh, now we have another box inside a box. So that's good. Now I gotta get it out of here. So there's now nothing left in that box. This one. So let's open. So I got the white one. There's a new scarlet colour which is red. There's a baby pink colour which I really wanted, but it wouldn't have matched my room, so I couldn't get it. There was a black one, the white one, and then I think there's like deluxe ones which are like super bedazzled. There's a silver, a gold, and I think that's it. But I wanted white because white matches everything. Yay! So there's now nothing left inside that box. Now let's take it out. Quite heavy for a little tower. This is it. It spins really nicely, like it's not, it doesn't get stuck or anything, like you only just have to touch it and it spins right around, and it obviously keeps going. So these are the slots on the side here. So you've got 9, 9, and then that's for the other side, 9, 9, 9, 9, and then you've got 9 on top as well. So yeah, this is it. If you've been looking at them to buy, then I definitely recommend. So far I've only just got it obviously, but I'm gonna insert a video of me filling this baby up. So I hope you enjoy. See you soon. So I filled it all up. And I'm gonna say it's amazing. It's honestly like beautiful. It's so nice. It spins perfectly. It just makes your lipsticks look really nice. So if you haven't had a look at their site, or you haven't even seen the lipstick spinning tails before, then I'll link them below and you should definitely get one. They may, I'm not sure how often they do coupons. I think it might only be for holidays, or, but I'm not sure. But keep an eye out if you follow them on Instagram as well. I'm pretty sure they'll have coupons pop up every now and again. So I hope you really like this video, and I hope you like my spinning lipstick tower as much as I do. And I'll post a picture on Instagram as well of this if you want to have a closer look. Thanks for watching. Bye!